Hello, everyone, and welcome to my podcast on the Dick and Carey Model. This is Brittany Robinson from NotAnotherBrittany.com. The Dick and Carey Model is a traditional systemic approach to instructional design. The general steps are as follows. Goals and objectives are clarified first. I am currently writing a computer programming course for middle school girls. The first place to start before writing the curriculum was to determine my goals and objectives. The second step in the Dick and Carey Model is to determine what your learners already know. I might send a survey, a poll, or an email prior to the class or the training. After receiving the results from these polls or surveys, I can determine how I want to assess learning. You could also just interview your students or talk to them before diving into the lesson. Third step for the Dick and Carey model is audience research. Determine your learners' behaviors, traits, personal preferences, and motivational factors. For example, I once had a trainer in a class that I took who gave us a quiz and told us what types of learners we are. He then collected those quiz results to help him shape how he presented the material to our class. He even divided us up into groups with a combination of different learning styles and prior knowledge so that we could all learn from each other throughout the course. Step 4 of the Dick and Carey model is to develop performance objectives that clearly describe the task or the process that is to be mastered. Going back to my earlier example of developing a computer programming class for middle school girls, my objectives with this class are to teach the girls a basic understanding of web coding by using Notepad, HTML, CSS, jQuery, a JavaScript library, and JSFiddle, a code editor. Step 5 of the Dick and Carey model is to find the perfect learning assessment type for your learners. You'll also need to have a grading rubric and criteria prior to the assessment. For my computer programming class I'm developing for the middle school girls, their complex assessment will involve them writing the code to develop their very own website. Each student will give a presentation to the class explaining her business idea or website, what she learned throughout the class, and her thought process, as well as the code that she used to create her own website. Step 6 of the Dick and Carey model is learning strategy. What learning theories are best for your learners? What digital tools make sense for this subject matter? For the class I'm building, I will use a blended learning environment incorporating learning strategies for all learning styles. Step 7 of the Dick and Carey model includes selecting the learning materials, tools, and online resources that best serve your learning goals and objectives. After deciding on the tools and learning theories, I began looking for existing content and online tutorials that I could incorporate into my curriculum. Step 8 of the Dick and Carey model is carrying out formative and/or summative evaluation. My course will include pop quizzes and a final project for evaluation. Again, this is Brittany from NotAnotherBrittany.com. Thanks for listening and have a great day.